The Hakko 485 is a high-performance selective soldering system designed exclusively for soldering and desoldering multi-leaded through-hole components and connectors mounted on printed circuit boards. The 485 features a digital temperature control display and solder flow duration timer, manual or auto mode operation, a solder flow speed control, and a solder flow level control, which controls the speed of the impeller. A specially treated tin-resistant impeller and chamber, which helps extend the life of the solder pot, especially when using lead-free solder. A locator light for accurate component placement, interchangeable nozzles, and an optional air blower for cleaning excess solder from the printed circuit board's through holes. To operate the Hakko 485 soldering system, turn the power switch on and set the key activated switch to either manual or auto mode. Adjust the solder temperature with the digital temperature control display. When operating in the auto mode, adjust the digital solder flow duration timer. A setting of 250 degrees Celsius or 482 degrees Fahrenheit for 4 seconds is a standard setting. When the solder temperature reaches the set temperature, the temperature control lamp will illuminate and the locator lamp will illuminate, indicating the unit is now ready to use. Now select the appropriate nozzle for the component. The nozzle should match the component to ensure only the selected component is reflowed. Attach the nozzle to the solder flow outlet and adjust the solder flow level with the foot switch or control dial. Set the solder flow duration timer and adjust the solder flow speed for your application. Place the printed circuit board on the table. Turn the locator light on and position the light to the center of the component. Lightly depress the foot switch to activate the solder fountain. The solder fountain creates uniform heating to the component leads. When the solder flows through the through-hole barrels, remove the component. The Hakko 485 soldering system and optional 486 air blower, a tabletop system for fast and efficient soldering and desoldering multi-leaded through-hole components and connectors mounted on printed circuit boards.